right, hi class. The second part of our history lesson today is a little quiz. So you're going to use this sheet, the side of the sheet of paper. So I'm going to read a statement to you, and it will be about a person we've learned about during the Civil War. So these are our options for number one. It's Barton, so Clara Barton, Lincoln, Abraham Lincoln, or Grant, Ulysses S. Grant. The statement I will read will only be true about one of the people, and then you'll circle that name for who it's true for. Okay. So number one is I was president during the U.S. Civil War. Right. Class, was that Clara Barton? Was that Abraham Lincoln? Or was it Ulysses S. Grant? Right, it was Abraham Lincoln, so I'll just do the first one for you just so you know. So each line, 1, 2, 3, all the way down to 10 at the bottom, you should have a name circled, but just one name for each one, and I'll read the rest of the sentences to you now. All right. Number 2 is I commanded the Confederate Army. 2, I commanded the Confederate Army. All right. Number 3, I was a conductor on the Underground Railroad. 3, I was a conductor on the Underground Railroad. Number 4 is I commanded the Union Army. I commanded the Union Army. Number 5 is I helped wounded soldiers get the medical supplies and care they needed. I helped wounded soldiers get the medical supplies and care they needed. Number 6 is I wrote the Emancipation Proclamation. I wrote the Emancipation Proclamation. Number 7, I was an enslaved African who escaped to Pennsylvania to gain my freedom. I was an enslaved African who escaped to Pennsylvania to gain my freedom. Number 8, I surrendered to General Grant at Appomattox. I surrendered to General Grant at Appomattox. That's 8. Number 9, I founded the American Red Cross. 9, I founded the American Red Cross. And 10, I was a spy for the Union Army because I knew the roads and the secret trails around Maryland and Pennsylvania. I was a spy for the Union Army because I knew the roads and the secret trails around Maryland and Pennsylvania. All right, so you should have one name circled for each number 1 through 10. All right, and that just helped us review a little bit about the people that we've been hearing about who are in the Civil War. All right, see you later.